Our last example is going to be another example where we're not going to be filling in any missing reasons or missing statements. We are going to be completing the proof from top to bottom. So it is given to us that angle S is congruent to angle V and that SV bisects RU. And we're trying to prove that triangle RST is congruent to triangle UVT. So, again, very first step, restate your given. Angle S is congruent to angle V, and SV bisects RU. So I want to mark that S is congruent to V. And so now the next thing that I want to do is use my given information. So in my given, I have this word bisects. Now notice how we've got a segment that is being bisected, not an angle. So SV bisects RU. It's really important that we get the correct statement here. So bisects means cut in half. What is being cut in half? Segment RU is the segment that's being cut in half. So this segment right here is being marked into two congruent parts. You see, SV is like the scissors, and it's cutting RU. So RT is congruent to segment UT. And that is by definition of bisects. So now I'm going to mark it. So I've used everything in my given information. So now look for things because I've only got two things marked in each triangle. So what is it that I'm missing? Well, notice here how angle 1 and angle 2, how they are vertical angles. And so we know that vertical angles are congruent. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. And so now vertical angles are congruent. So now do we have enough information to state that these two triangles are congruent? So it appears that we have an angle, and a side. So yes, we can now make our last and final statement, which is triangle RST is congruent to triangle UVT by angle, side congruency. All right, so I hope all this has been helpful. You have 4 examples, and so now you're ready to start on your practice. In your practice, you're going to be unscrambling proofs, and you're going to have scrambled statements, scrambled reasons, filling in missing parts of proofs, and then you'll have one like example 4 where you're going to have to fill things out completely top to bottom.